One great tool to use when you're braiding is a combo comb like this. This end right here is just like a pick. Of course, you could use a pick if you prefer, because this doesn't have as many teeth and they're a little bit narrow. And this part of the comb, as you can see, has multi-layered teeth. They're not all the same length. They've got 3 different lengths in here on the teeth, and this is great to really thoroughly comb and smooth any type of hair. All the different levels of teeth will really grab any hair that's underneath that's trying to hide. Hair for cutting, if you're trying to get it all smooth, to do a very fine braid, any type of small braiding. This is really great to get it smooth, and this is good for when you have any type of curly hair to really work it out and get it away from the scalp. And this is also convenient for parting if you prefer a finer tooth just to really navigate. I prefer a fatter tooth, and that's why I like the wide tooth comb, but it's really all your preference. Once you get practicing braiding, you can see what you like to use and what works best for you. But these, the little combinations, are great so you don't have so much junking up your table.